Today I'm going to be using racetracks for my creations. I got those 24-inch racetracks from Dollartree, and after I remove the tag, I'm going to put them together. One side with this blue button that it came together, super simple. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and we're going to create a beautiful oval shape frame. Simple as that. Those racetracks, they're so flexible and easy to work with. All you need to do is just add that blue button that it came with it, and you got a perfect, beautiful oval shape frame. I am creating a tobacco basket. My darling friend Tammy from Happiness Created, she gave me a challenge to create 18-inch tobacco basket. So we're gonna be using those tracks as a frame, and now I'm using a cardboard and making 18-inch stripes, and those stripes gonna present the weaving wreaths and to put them together and create a tobacco basket. Today I'm gonna show you how for $5 all together, all those creations that I made, you can make a beautiful high-end home decor, and nobody's gonna know that you made these creations out of trash. Basically, I mean, cardboard, we just recycle it, right? We only paid $1.25 so far for the racetrack. So for the tobacco basket only cost me $1.25. And also Tammy gave me a challenge that I need to create not just a tobacco basket, I need to decorate it too. After I draw all those stripes on my cardboard, I'm just gonna cut them with my cutter, and we're gonna have around, I think I made extra 16 to 18 stripes just in case, and we're gonna add them together on my frame. Now that I got all my stripes cut out, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna roll them in a shape of snail, just like so they can be more easier and flexible to work with. As you can see, we're gonna make those stripes to be like a wooden weaving wreaths, and the easier to work with is if you roll them just like that, so they can be in a round shape. As you can see, those weaving wreaths need to have like a half round shape around the basket, and that's where I'm going for. And look at this tobacco basket, $84. Can you believe? And ours is gonna cost only $1.25. To add those stripes to the frame, all I need to do is, starting with the middle part, adding a glue on one side of the frame, and then adding glue on the other side, and leaving those stripes in a half round shape as you saw, just like that, have like a half opening. So simple as that. I start creating those stripes in the basket, and I'm gonna work on each side. I'm gonna be adding next to that one. I didn't even measure, I just don't like to measure. I'm just doing everything from my eye and adding those stripes around 1.5 to 2 inches apart until I fill the whole frame with them. I'm going on both sides, as you can see, super simple and easy. That's what I got so far. While you're watching me adding those stripes to the frame, I want to tell you that I'm so happy that I'm a part of Mystery Cardboard Challenge again every other month, and all of us ladies got together and each of us give us a challenge to create with cardboard, and this time with the racetracks as well. So Tammy gave me my challenge and I gave my challenge to Kathy Jo. I hope I wasn't too hard on her, and I cannot wait to see. It's gonna be a playlist with all those amazing ladies. I cannot wait to see what each and everyone did, and all the links are in my description box. And after you're done watching my video, you know where you're going next. And please show them lots of love. Now back to my project. After I did horizontal side, now I'm going vertically the same part. I'm adding a stripe right in the middle and going through those stripes that I did horizontally, and then in between I'm gonna just glue them. So simple, just like that, so we can have a nice shape, sturdy shape. And I'm gonna follow that middle stripe on the other sides as well. And all I did is I just weave the stripes going one on top and one on the bottom, as you can see, creating like that, a pattern, and following that with the glue on each side. And I don't know how more to explain it. It's so simple and easy. Soon as we got those stripes and we got those tracks as a frame, it's so easy to connect all of it together into a shape of a tobacco basket. Just like that. I did 3 so far. I think I did total of 5 vertically and total of 9 stripes horizontally, if that makes sense. I have also added 2 stripes in the middle in a shape of X, as you can see. And now around the border of my frame, I'm adding 2 longer cardboards so we can make our frame nice and sturdy. And to be more visual, like we made it out of wood, not out of a plastic and a cardboard, if that makes sense. So just going around the edges, and with that we're just securing all those wreaths that we made on our basket, and adding that on top of the frame is just make it more nice and sturdy, and nothing will separate it. Now that my basket is ready, I took it outside and spray painted with a Krylon matte coffee bean finish. I'm gonna spray paint it on top and also on the bottom so it can look more realistic, made out of wood, not out of a cardboard and a racetracks. Okay, I forgot one more thing. After I spray painted and dried inside, it looked more like a plastic, so I added another frame with a cardboard and I spray painted. And while it was drying, now we're gonna add more mixture. I added a salt wash and a natural Dixie Belle paint and mix it together and create a texture so we can make our basket more sturdy. And adding that texture, it's gonna give that more natural wooden look. And I grab my brush and now I'm just gonna heavy distress it and going around the stripes and giving not just the texture but giving this rustic natural look to it. Super simple and easy. You will need to let me know what do you think about this project that I made today. To decorate my basket, I'm gonna be using sheets from my book. I found this book at Dollartree, so I'm just gonna cut off a couple of pages and I'm gonna split them on a half and create a floral. I don't know if you saw, it's all over internet. It's not a new thing, it's an old thing. A lot of people created wreaths out of paper, out of music note sheets, out of book sheets, doesn't matter. I got my idea from Becky from Kinda Shabby and Ginger Chic Rehab. They're amazing creators and creating beautiful vintage home decor. I'm gonna try to put their links in my description box. And now back to my floral. I just cut off a round cardboard, so that's gonna be my base that I'm gonna add the floral to it. So all I did is I just crunch the sheets just like that with a marker, and now I'm just creating floral petals, adding them to my cardboard round shape. So I tried it 3 times. First I thought I'm just gonna add those sheets as a floral petals and we're gonna create a nice floral, vintage floral to it, but I didn't like how it looks. Then my second try was adding this totally dazzle brooch in the middle and presenting like a part of a pistil on my flower. And I didn't like that too. Then I removed that. My third option was adding a square wooden block from Dollartree, glue it in the middle, and then on top of that block, adding one of those burlap flowers from Dollartree, and I think I like how it came out. Now, my third try, I'm adding those sheets as a floral petals, and I'm gonna fill out the whole round cardboard with them until they're all covered and creating them into nice vintage floral look. You gotta let me know which part that you like, the first option, the second one, or the third one. I think the third one look very cute, adding that block on the middle, adding that 3D effect, and adding that burlap flower is just give that vintage French shabby chic look. I hope I'm giving you lots of inspiration for you to create something out of trash, and it's not gonna be noticeable that it only cost us total of $5 for all our creations today. I have to mention that $5 because I'm a big spender. Always I like to spend getting all those crafts together, but today I didn't spend a lot. And thank you to Kathy Jo who had all these bright idea, recycling cardboards and not spending a lot of money. I just love it. I'm ready for our next challenge and see what we're gonna create on the next one. Now that my floral is ready, all I did is I just glue it in the middle of my basket, and I just love this. I am so passionate about French shabby chic look, and this is just a perfect vintage rustic look. With the leftovers of my book sheets, I am also gonna be creating a wreath on this foam round wreath from Dollartree, and I'm gonna do the same process like I did for my flower, just crunching and creating petals around my foam wreath until the whole wreath is completed and added with those sheets. And making all these floral and wreaths out of those sheets, we can use it in every season. We can use it as an everyday decor, or just adding just a little touch up of different kind of bows for like Christmas, let's say, or summer, or just adding a lace ribbon. Is just gonna give that beautiful complete home decor look for our vignettes. For those of you who doesn't know me, I am C and this is CJ DIY, and here on my channel we create such a beautiful home decor. We have lots of fun and laughs, and I hope I give you tons of inspirations for you to sit down and create something beautiful, very low on a budget, and we're gonna make our home to look boutique gorgeous, and nobody's gonna know how much it cost us. And here is my wreath. I hope you love it, and here is a comparison with the flower that I made for my basket. I just love it. I can make those wreaths every day, all day long. Let me know, what do you think? Now to complete my vignette look, I know this is not a cardboard. I just got this jug in my crafting stash. I just spray painted with a coffee bean spray paint, and now with the same texture that I use on my basket, I'm going around with my brush and I just heavy distress it and make it more rustic look to it. And after it's all nice and dry, I'm gonna be adding this H2O transfers redesigned with Prima, just a little simple detail to it. I'm just going over the sheets and see which one I like. I just sprinkle it with the water just a little bit, because this is a transfer that needs water to it, not the scraping like we do the other rub-on transfers. And simple as that, with that little detail, we're gonna have a nice French look to this jog and complete our vignette look for today. Now with adding that transfer, all I need to do with a wipe, water wipe, going over that sticker or transfer, whatever you like to call it, and as long as it's all wet, that's how the whole transfer will be on my jug. Very simple and very easy. You can use those transfers in any kind of surface you like. You can even use them on a furniture. I tried them in a couple of my projects on my previous videos and I love it so far. If you like to see how I made all those projects, I'm gonna have a link in my description box for more home decor ideas that I made on my previous videos. And now when the whole transfer is on, you see how easy it is. And if some of the transfer is not on, you just gotta put the sheet back and just rub it off with a wipe, and the whole transfer, it will be on. As you can see, one of those words were not transferred right away, but simple as that. I just put the sheet back and I just rub it off, and here you go. The whole transfer is nice and on now. Now to seal it, I just add a white DIY wax. I got those waxes from Unicorn Does Design. I got all the links in my description box where you can purchase all the crafts that I've been using. And that's it. I'm gonna be adding some floral in my jug, and I think it looks so beautiful. I think I got this jug from thrift store for like a couple of cents last year, I believe. But as I mentioned throughout my video, all my crafts today total cost was $5, and I cannot believe when I put that all together, you're gonna see at the end, I just love it. I wish I can have a store or a display so I can display all my creations that everybody can see. But you gotta let me know, what do you think about all my creations today? Do you love them as much as I love them? And enough about me talking. Also, I forgot to mention, I add this floral ribbon around my jug just to add that extra French shabby chic detail. I just did it simple as that. I didn't make a bow, I just make a border in the middle. And that's it for creations today. Enough about me talking. I hope I entertained you today while you were watching me creating these beautiful creations. And thank you so much for always giving me the best comments and love and taking time of your busy days. And don't forget to check out the amazing playlist with all those cardboard creations today. And my ladies in this amazing collab, I love you all. Thank you so much for letting me be part of this amazing collab again this time. And until next time, my darlings, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy. I have amazing video coming up this Sunday. I'm sending you blessings from me to you. Bye-bye.